Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back with your daily crypto news and analysis. And today we are going to be talking about Ripple and XRP, as well as the vast majority of crypto and finance. And with that being said, let's just dive on in, and let's first start off with the fact that DCENT Wallets is holding a major event right now until November 16th. If you purchase a DCENT wallet, I'm going to drop a link down in the description below, as well as in the comments below. If you guys go and get a DCENT wallet right now, you can actually fill out a form on their website. It's at the top, where they are giving away 200 Algorand right now. And as you guys are all aware, if Algorand does make it back to $1 plus, the all-time high was nearly $3. That means that your 200 Algorand could very well be worth $200 to $400, which would cover the DCENT wallet fully and essentially give you a free cold storage wallet. So if you guys do want to take advantage of this massive offer from DCENT Wallet, you guys are more than welcome to, with the links down in the description below, as well as in the comments below. It's going to be at the top, just to make sure that you guys don't miss it. So if you guys do want to go get this, it's a limited time only. I highly suggest everybody go out and get a DCENT wallet right now, especially as we prepare for the next major run up in the market. And with that being said, let's just dive on in and let's start off with this article here. So we do see exploring the future of blockchain-based payments with Ripple. Blockchain and cryptocurrency hype has dramatically risen and fallen and ebbed and flowed throughout the last 5 years, from Bitcoin reaching an all-time high in price in November of 2021 to having lost 2/3 of its value just 7 months later. The crypto market's reputation for volatility has certainly been justified. To understand whether there is space for crypto and blockchain technology in the future of payments, or if it is doomed to fail, we hear from Ripple, the real-time gross settlement system, currency exchange, and remittance network. Now, within this, we do get a little bit of a glimpse into a few different things, specifically stablecoins. So we do see, ever since firms in the sector have been quietly working away to restore confidence in a blockchain-based technology, especially August 2023 saw PayPal, the trusted global online payment fintech, launch its own new stablecoin. Backed by the US dollar, the move once again highlighted that the future of payments and money may lie within digital currencies. In August, we seen Solana Pay, the decentralized open source peer-to-peer payments protocol built on the Solana blockchain, also became available to millions of businesses as the approved app integration with Shopify, the global commerce company providing internet infrastructure for commerce. The following month, Visa announced it now enables its partners to send or receive USDC settlement to payments via the Solana blockchain. Significantly, this news highlights a number of real-world use cases that consumers can immediately actively engage with, once again placing blockchain back on the path to success. Now, enter in Ripple, the very real benefits of blockchain-based payments. Brendan Barry, head of payment products at Ripple, shares his thoughts with the FinTech Times on the significance of these developments for the future of the crypto and blockchain space. These initiatives, along with other recent moves from Citi and JP Morgan, represent a clear and practical use case for blockchain technology for everyday use. Payments are the killer app the industry has been looking for when it comes to jumpstarting mainstream adoption of crypto and blockchain. PayPal, Visa, and Shopify are major players in traditional finance and commerce, and by adopting blockchain technology, these companies provide broader industry validation that blockchain has moved beyond delivering conceptual value, demonstrating that this technology is the solution to solving the long-standing customer pain points and payment inefficiencies. Additionally, they're exposing a new generation of users to very real benefits of blockchain-based payments, like instant payments or settlements, lower transaction fees, borderless commerce, and overall cost savings. To gain more insight to the benefits, barriers, and future of blockchain-based payments, we asked Barry a number of important questions. And a few of those questions are, of course, down here. So we do see, first and foremost, what are the barriers to integrating blockchain technology into payments? And as you guys are probably all aware, a lot of the big problems are usability, liquidity, and even regulatory clarity. But we already know that a lot of that is, changing. We even see, but today we're seeing a massive shift as the industry has become more established, and the focus of developers and builders in the space is creating real utility based on the inherent benefits of crypto and blockchain. And of course, we do see down here, how could blockchain adoption in e-commerce impact the global perception of crypto and blockchain? We actually see the adoption of blockchain technology for e-commerce or merchant payments is yet another promising example of the technology moving beyond speculative or theoretical stages to make a meaningful impact on the lives of people. And then we also see at the bottom there, what problems can blockchain technology solve for cross-border payments, which everyone is, of course, focused on with XRP. Blockchain technology has proven to be immensely beneficial when it comes to the cross-border payments market and remittances. Leveraging cryptocurrencies for cross-border payments enables real-time settlements and also significantly lowers transaction cost compared to traditional money transfer services. These benefits apply at scale and impact the overall cost for individuals and institutional users alike. Is there space for both crypto and stablecoins for payments in the long term? There's ample space for both crypto and stablecoins in the payment space. From digital assets to stablecoins and CBDCs, each fills a distinct need and use case that isn't mutually exclusive in its ability to provide value or utility for different transaction needs. Now, we also see down here, one last question. What other trends should we expect to see in the payment space in the near future? To continue the momentum of blockchain adoption within the payment systems, it's important to onboard large enterprises through visible real world use cases and provide the opportunity to easily test the crypto waters. Hesitation stems from lack of history and complicated onboarding and offboarding processes. In the future, we expect to see mass developments of key infrastructure components, such as on and off ramps between crypto and fiat currencies, to attract enterprises and leverage blockchain technologies as a reliable payment solution. What's interesting about this last section here is the fact that we know that lack of history is solved with Ripple. Ripple has been around this game for well over a decade plus. The XRP ledger has been established for well over a decade as well. And as we look at this, right, they want to onboard large enterprises with real world use cases. And when I look at this, I talk about tokenization quite a bit. Tokenization is a big real world use case, but then you also have, line of credit and freeing up trapped capital, instant payments, things like that, crypto liquidity, delving into the world of, utility within blockchain and also crypto is a crucial thing for Ripple to be doing, because guess what? That's going to onboard large enterprises into the adoption phase of blockchain and crypto and could ultimately lead to mass adoption. I think that's a great insight, especially regarding Brendan Barry, who is the head of payment products at Ripple. But beyond this, we do see stablecoins being mentioned quite a bit within this article. And I said it multiple times already that the global stablecoin race is on. Going back to November of 2022, we know that the global stablecoin race is on from Ripple. And here we have 2022 might well be remembered as the year of the stablecoin. Despite getting off to a rocky start with the implosion of Terra, the stablecoin sector rebounded to reach a new high of $1 trillion in monthly trading volumes in August and has been on the agendas of the World Economic Forum, the Committee on Payments and Market Infrastructure, and the U.S. regulators as they continue to evaluate its role and impact on economic markets. And we do see down here as the stablecoin growth continues and more use cases are explored in the broader crypto landscape, Ripple has also picked up the pace and continues to build momentum with new partners like Stably and Stasis. Together with Ripple, they'll be tapping into the XRP ledger as a fast, low-cost, and scalable blockchain that offers clear liquidity, reliability, and interoperability advantages for stablecoin issuers. Again, as we really kind of look at what's happening here, we know that the XRP ledger is perfectly suited to handle these stablecoins at scale. We even do see that's why the XRP ledger is best suited to support stablecoins at scale. Built to support the tokenization of any asset, the XRP ledger can handle a high volume of transactions that settle in mere seconds and cost only a fraction of a penny. This native token functionality also makes it easy for issuers to create, issue, and manage any asset without the need for a central intermediary. The XRP ledger's built-in authorized trust lines feature also ensures that stablecoins and other issued tokens can only be held by accounts that the issuer themselves authorizes for an added layer of security. And again, back here, we were seeing major adoption of stablecoins on the XRP ledger, tapping into, of course, XRP. And at that time, we seen the Republic of Palau embracing this and tapping in to the XRP ledger for, of course, their CBDC, which you could argue is a stablecoin. But either way, it's very exciting to see stablecoins becoming a big talking point, knowing that this article was back in 2022 and Ripple was already prepared for stablecoin adoption then. And we even see here, as we move into 2023 and beyond, stablecoins will continue to grow in popularity and reach, but not without the right blockchain in place. And that's why when we look at the XRP ledger, it is crucial to understand that it is purpose-built for this. As banks and other financial institutions continue to explore additional stablecoin use cases, cross-chain interoperability, and the many benefits afforded by public decentralized blockchain networks will be key stepping stones on the path to a stablecoin future. So decentralized blockchain networks are going to be a crucial piece for this. And this is why I say, like, you need to be looking at the XRP ledger, as Ripple is continuing to embrace the power behind it. And as we look at the future right now, there is a career spotlight on Ripple, right? We do see build real world value. Let's pioneer the future of crypto together. And the reason why I'm bringing this back up is because we do see down here, transform the future of finance. Through our crypto solutions for businesses, governments, and developers, we are improving the global financial system and creating greater economic fairness and opportunity for more people in more places around the world. And with the endless possibilities of blockchain technology driving our team forward, we're looking for bold and passionate minds to make an impact and help us lead the way. There's one quote down here from Kira Bashia. I hope that I'm saying that name right. I'm probably not. ODC Senior Director Business Development in London. ODC, we are on the forefront of building solutions to enable value to move as fast as information moves today. Payment CBDCs, crypto, and NFTs will be foundational to the future of the financial system. And there's some other great ones here as well, but I wanted to bring this up because as we look at what's going on around the world of finance, we know that it is being reshaped by some leaders within the space like Ripple. Outside of that, we just seen a massive bomb get dropped by the UK. We've seen here the Bank of England proposes allowing stablecoins as a payment option for goods and services. This is a huge step in the right direction, but it is also a massive move that is going to really create this huge race. This race is, of course, the stablecoin race, right? We talked about this. The global stablecoin race is on. It is starting. We've talked about this back in 2022 as well, because we start to see the stablecoin initiatives really kind of heating up then, even though we've seen implosions of stablecoins like, of course, Terra, because, you know, at the end of the day, nothing is going to stop what's happening. And listen, when we look at what's happening in the UK, a lot of people are tying this back to Ripple, and it's for good measure. Listen, we've already dived deep into the rabbit hole of the Bank of England and Ripple with their POC from over 6 years ago. A lot of people said, like, it means nothing today. It's 6 years ago. I put this out, and I put so much time and effort into this this thread, and I think that everyone should go check this out if you haven't already. But what we came to the conclusion of is, you know, Ripple is a key player, especially in the UK markets. I would not be surprised. I would not be surprised if Ripple was a part of the stablecoin initiative. We already know that going back into the July timeframe, Ripple applied for a crypto license in the United Kingdom. This was right after their major win against the SEC, and now that, you know, everything is dropped in terms of the case, it's fully dismissed. I wouldn't mind seeing. And I would not be surprised either if we start to see Ripple becoming a pioneer around stablecoin initiatives within a lot of these areas like the UK, because we already know that Ripple has made their name known in the UK going all the way back to November of 2022. For an example, they did hold their Swell event in London. It is a center point for them. It's a major hub as well. And listen, we already know that stablecoins on the XRP ledger have become a spotlight subject. We even see here back in October, Forbes spotlights benefits of Ripple CBDC platform and Palau stablecoin in the new case study. And it was because of how efficient it was, and the key benefits behind it were crucial to note as well. We even see here with settlement costs growing considerably, it is also assumed that Palau CBDC will bring a transformation in this regard, helping to lower the cost and boost the settlement time. Financial inclusion is one key advantage, providing access to banking services in underbanked areas. Cost efficiency in transactions is particularly crucial in remote locations where high transaction costs can inhibit economic activity. Besides these benefits, the potential of a CBDC in bolstering cross-border payments is also high, and the design of the CBDC to improve logistics and security in the financial sectors represents an ultimate game plan that the case study notes have added to its appeal. And here we have, of course, the role of Ripple. Like, Ripple is the crucial piece for this, because, you know, they have become a prominent name in terms of CBDC and stablecoin development, even going all the way back, you know, to 2021, for an example. They were, you know, becoming a leader in that space. But even here, they're already in discussions with over 30 different central banks, because the race is on here, right? Like, I don't know how many times I can say it without sounding like a broken record, but the race truly is on. And even recently, we've seen this from Anthony Welfare, who is the CBDC strategic advisor at Ripple. CBDC announcement number 6 Ripple, one of the world's leading technology companies, becomes the technology partner for the National Bank of Georgia for their digital Gale pilot project. Ripple has announced 5 pilot programs with governments and also central banks in Bhutan, Palau, Montenegro, Colombia, and also even Hong Kong, and is in discussions with over 20 countries around the world. Massive congratulations to the team, and looking forward to delivering some exciting CBDC use cases for NBG and the people of Georgia. And again, like all of these big announcements, everything that we have seen really kind of just continues to provide confidence to Ripple and their overall initiatives in the world of finance. And this is also why I say, like, you know, I would not be surprised if Ripple was tied back to what the UK is trying to do here. And listen, like the UK, you know, trying to propose this and really kind of coming out with this is only going to accelerate the move towards stablecoin adoption even more. Like I said, the race is really starting, and you know I'm very excited to see Ripple being at the forefront of this. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, though. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you guys did enjoy the video, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on because more free content. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord in the description below. And with that being said, guys, it's been Nick. Peace out.